Hi everyone! Welcome back to my AI series for ArcGIS web developers. Today I'll walk you through building an AI-powered urban planning application. Using ArcGIS and OpenAI, we'll dynamically fetch demographic data and generate urban planning suggestions, all in one clean, simple app. So let's get started. Alright, we're going to start with our simple HTML, CSS, and JavaScript as usual. Now, in the HTML, I'm going to bring in ArcGIS REST.js request and demographics through CDN, so I can generate demographic facts. I'll also add a div panel below the map to hold the suggestions based on the demographic data, along with directions to click on the map. Next, in the CSS, I'm going to add just a bit of styling for that panel of suggestions. Now for the JavaScript. To the map view, I'm going to start by attaching a click listener, which will hold a map point parameter containing the longitude and latitude of where the user clicks. Next, I'm going to create a data variable that will hold our ArcGIS demographic data, which is going to be generated by specifying the study area's location and authenticating the request. Then I'm going to create a demographics variable to extract the demographic attributes from that data object returned by the API. Now, just like we did in previous videos, we'll send a fetch request to OpenAI with the proper method of post, the required headers, and all of the information in the body. Now here, since we want to generate urban planning suggestions, we'll be sure to specify that in the content. Now, once I receive the response, I will extract the content of the first choice out and place the result into the demographic suggestions panel that we created. All right, let's go ahead and test this out. So I'm going to click just anywhere here on the map. We'll give it a second. And then we see urban planning suggestions from OpenAI based on that demographic data within a 1 mile radius here in our side panel. And that's it. And that wraps up day 9. Today we built a web app that combined ArcGIS and OpenAI for intelligent insights. You can adapt this approach for many different use cases beyond urban planning, like, say, environmental analysis. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you tomorrow, and as always, happy coding.